Welcome and welcome back to Treasure Timbers. Today, I'm going to take 3 pieces of driftwood and combine them into one. I enjoy projects like these. They illustrate perfectly how the whole can be made greater than the sum of its parts. Now, I've said it before, driftwood comes in many shapes and sizes, and even if it's man-made, if the ocean brought it, it's driftwood. Today's pieces are no exception. Let's take a look. First up, one of my favorite finds ever, this small, delicately carved panel. I wonder what it was in its former life. If you've got any idea, please let me know. It's one of a kind. I've never seen another like it, and I'm not sure I ever will. It's deceptively intricate and extremely delicate too. How it survived in one piece is anyone's guess. Second up is this board with its slightly curved sides. There are grooves here and here, so it must have been part of something larger, maybe a big piece of furniture. Lastly, there's this one. Ever since picking it up, little things about it have bothered me. What was it for? On the face of it, hanging up clothes. But it can't be. These holes look like mounting holes, but only one goes right through. There's no evidence of screws. It's also fairly new. It's a real puzzle. I just want all the hooks. The wood itself looks pretty interesting. It's certainly not pine. I'll put it safely aside. Now the board gets a thorough sanding. I want it to be fairly smooth to contrast the worn carving, which is also quite light. Right at the end, I plan to use linseed oil to make it even darker. Now, I don't want to drill holes or use glue on the carving, so my plan is to use screws for both the mounting and the hooks. These screws are also being recycled. Hopefully that'll tie it all together. I'll only use 3 of the hooks. It's time to do some assessment, and then I can start measuring and drilling pilot holes. I want the hooks to overhang a fair amount to give the carving a bit more space. I'll put 2 screws here to hold up the carving, one above each of the side hooks. Then I need at least 1 or possibly 2 screws on each side. I want the screws to keep the carving in place without damaging it. We'll also need to drill 2 mounting holes. Measuring and drilling all done. A final sand to get rid of pencil marks and then on to the linseed oil. So, fantastic. Now I just have to wait for it to cure. Isn't it beautiful?